Hi, everyone, and welcome to this month's Canvas in 5. In this episode, we're building on our earlier tutorials on the Canvas gradebook by exploring one of the best time savers Canvas has to offer, rubrics. Whether you're grading reflections, practical plans, or lesson designs, rubrics can help you provide faster, cleaner, and more consistent feedback. Let's walk through together how to add, customize, and use rubrics in Canvas step by step. To begin, I'm going to navigate to my assignments by going to the assignments link on the main course menu on the left-hand side. For this demonstration, I'm going to select the assignment titled Instructional Strategies for Health Sciences Educators. Once inside the assignment, scroll down and click on Add Rubric button. This is going to give us two options to begin with. The first is you can click Find a Rubric. If you've used one before, you can add it to this assignment, or you can build one, a brand new one right here. I'm going to go ahead and create a brand new one specifically for this assignment. Let's first enter some criteria. And for me, I'm going to add a couple here. The first one is rationale and alignment to outcomes to check to see if students need to align their strategy with the course goals clearly. Go ahead and click on update. And then the next one is lesson structure. I'm looking for organization and flow by clicking on criterion, new criterion. You could also add a longer description if you think that would be helpful for your students. Click on criterion. I'm going to do this just a couple more times. The next one is active learning technique. It should be well justified. And of course, accessibility and inclusivity as part of our teaching and health sciences. We want to make sure that's there. And then lastly, presentation and professionalism. I want to evaluate that as well for this assignment. And there we have it. Each criterion, as you notice here, has a 5-point scale, making grading quick and consistent. Next, let's talk about settings. Make sure to use this rubric for assignment grading if you want the score to automatically carry over to the gradebook. If you're using outcomes, you can decide whether to post to the Learning Mastery gradebook as well. And you can also hide the rubric total from students if you want to prefer to focus their attention on the qualitative feedback. But in this case, everything looks good. I'm going to go ahead and click Create Rubric. And voila, there's the rubric for this assignment. Here's a bonus tip when using the SpeedGrader, which I'll scroll back to the top and click on SpeedGrader. Once the students have submitted their work and you end up in the SpeedGrader, first thing you should be able to notice is the rubric button added automatically for you. Everything aligns to what we just did, what we created. You click it and it will open up for us. Now just click the level that applies for each criterion. So in most cases, there would be an assignment here on the left, and we would make an evaluation here of each criterion. We can actually just click on the buttons to make it clear what our evaluation was. And then we can even leave a comment here, great job, to our students. And then if we really wanted to get fancy, we can even provide even more specific detailed feedback here in the assignment comments. And one of the pro tips that I would suggest considering is using the video option here where you record your feedback directly to the student. I think this is super helpful for teaching in an online environment where that personal touch can come through versus the in-person where you're already meeting with them. But either way, it's very effective. Once you've done that, click submit and you're good to go. Your student has clear, consistent feedback on their performance. And that's it. You've now added a rubric, customized it for your assignment, and see how it saves you time and improves feedback. If you'd like help building or refining your rubrics, the TLC is happy to support you. Just reach out. Be sure to watch next month's Tech Time session, where we'll dive deeper into best practices for feedback and grading strategy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Canvas in 5.